Hi everyone, to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're going to be making a perfect summer salad that's refreshing and bright and salty, and it has all the right flavors, goes well with everything. We're going to be making a feta and watermelon salad. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by cutting a watermelon into slices. This is a half of a watermelon. I'm not going to use the whole thing, but you definitely can. You cut it first into slices, and then you can cut it into cubes just the way I'm doing it. It's very simple to do. You can cut it any shape you like. You could even scoop it out using a melon ball scooper and make little beautiful round balls. I just find that this is much easier and you get less waste. I'll put the watermelon in a big bowl so that way we can mix it afterwards, and then I'll make the dressing. In a pitcher, I'll add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, but it is going to make the dressing a little darker. So if you want to keep it light, you can use lemon juice or lime juice and make sure that it's fresh. Then I'll add a tablespoon of honey and about 4 tablespoons of really good quality olive oil, some salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and I also like to add a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. The sweetness of everything combined with a little hint of spice from the red pepper flakes go very well together. Now I'll pour the dressing over the watermelon cubes, toss everything together. Finally chop some fresh mint. You can use basil instead. I've seen that done and it tastes really good with the watermelon, but I love mint. Before you add the mint, we're going to crumble some feta on top as much as you like. Like I said, we always measure feta with our hearts. Crumble that on top, garnish it with some mint, and then you can transfer it to your serving platter and it is ready to serve. Okay, so it's just that simple, and of course you can dress it up even more by adding some avocados to it. I like pickled onions in this too. You can add some crunch with some crushed pistachios or walnuts. Dress it up however you like, but I love it just the way it is. There's just so much to love about the salad. Time for the taste test. I love watermelon. We eat it almost every day. The combination of the sweet, refreshing watermelon with the salty, creamy feta, the fresh mint, and that dressing, everything goes so well together. I could probably eat this whole platter by myself by lunch today. So good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. The exact measurements are on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. There really aren't measurements. You can put as much or as little of each ingredient and you could add more. It's just the starting point. We'll just call it the starting point. It's so delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.